Hey y'all, I just swapped out my radiator for my 2001 Chevy Tracker, and I just wanted to do a quick run through of what I had to do it, and just so that if you need some help, then you have a general idea. So this job is not too difficult to do. So I had developed a crack here. As y'all can see, the JB weld that I put didn't do anything. It's just a really old plastic radiator, and so I had to replace the entire thing. Here you can see this is an OEM part, but funny enough it says Denso on it. I think I saw some Denso radiators out there as well, so maybe it's maybe it's the same brand, just whatever. I'll let people figure that out. In order to do this job, you just have to unbolt this fan cover. It's this bolt and this bolt. So once you do that, you can pull the fan back, and then it's simple enough. You take off this bolt, and you unplug these hoses. So this is the hose that I use for the top, and then there's another hose, y'all can see it down over there, that goes down on the bottom. So I can show you that, the location. So this is that top hose we talked about, and then there's the bottom hose, and you got to make sure you drain all the fluid before you replace it, just a reminder. And then once you do that, it just literally comes out. So you pull it out. You might have to finagle a little bit. Just pull this cover back and wiggle it. I did this job with my brother, and it was a lot easier having two people as opposed to one. So the bolts that I used, or I'm sorry, the sockets, you use a 10mm on the edges, but for this one, to remove the fan cover, you need an 11. So just FYI. Let's go underneath. So here's that second pipe I told you guys about. So just make sure that's unclamp that, you just remove it, and that's it. The newer radiators come with additional plumbing, but that's for an automatic. I have a manual, so I don't have to plug that in, from my understanding. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Hope this video is informative. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Oh, also, pull this out so that you can pull out the radiator. Cool. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.